Hello, welcome everyone to Campus Credential, TCS Digital Recruitment Process for 2021 Passouts. Process expected to start from October 2020 for TCS Premium Colleges. TCS Digitals are basically hiring for the field of IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, virtual reality, blockchain, natural language processing, etc. There are three ways of landing the TCS digital offers. First, if your college is a TCS Premium College. Second, cracking the TCS Code Vita pre-qualifier. Third, doing exceedingly well in TCS NQT, which is Ninja. If your college is a TCS Premium College, what is the step to be followed? First is check with your training and placement officer. The dates of this year recruitment online test are expected to be 3rd and 4th of October 2020 in the TCS accredited premium institutions. Eligibility criteria for 2021 passouts from TCS premium colleges are the percentage requirement of minimum 60% or 6 CGPA throughout the academics and an aggregate of 70% of 7 CGPA in the highest qualification till the semester for which results have been declared. Concerns for ATKT and backlogs. Well, when you're appearing for the process, there cannot be any ATKT or backlogs. If you get a KTKT after the process is done, don't worry, you can clear it within the final semester. As far as breaks or gap due to extended educations are not allowed, but if the break is within 24 months, permissible only for a valid reason. Only full-time courses are entertained. Students with secondary or senior secondary from NIOS are also eligible. Work experience up to 2 years is a plus point. Its age limits is between 18 to 28 years. Training and placement officer can nominate additional 15% student, that is, toppers in academics or exceptionally talented in programming from disciplines other than the ones listed. So apart from the stream which has been listed, if there are students from other streams, they can be a part of it provided they get a permission from the training and placement officer. Toppers from the allowed disciplines from the group institution. So if there is one particular college which is a TCS Premium College and there is a sister concern for the same institution, can be allowed for the students belong to the sister colleges can be allowed provided the training placement officer gives a permission. So even that way a student can get an advantage. The streams which are allowed for the TCS digital process is computer science, IT, software engineering, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation, mechanical, applied electronics, mechatronics, MCA with BSc, BCA, MSc, computer science, IT and software. The opportunity for students from TCS Premium Colleges is that you have a chance, even if you don't clear TCS digital process, don't worry, you still stand a chance for TCS Ninja All India process. The second option, if your college is not a TCS Premium institution, don't worry, you have the other option, cracking the TCS Code Vita pre-qualifier. The shortlisted students will get a direct interview for TCS Ninja profile, that is 3.5 lakhs per annum. And if you clear that, you might be upgraded to digital TCS offer. So here there is again a chance to be a part of TCS digital process, and from there you can land a TCS digital offer. The next one is doing exceedingly well in TCS Ninja, and in this process, if you are exceptionally well, you will be given a chance to appear for TCS Digital. Now, the only thing you have to make sure that when you're filling the form for TCS Ninja application, do mention about your interest in TCS Ninja and Digital under the profile interested in the category. What is the digital recruitment pattern? Round 1 is TCS Digital Online Test, Technical Interview, HR Interview, TCS Digital online test pattern may will be of duration of 110 minutes. Now this is just an assumption. It has three parts. One is part A, which is English, part B is quantitative, part C is advanced coding. So you have to clear all the parts, and you may land up in TCS digital role and package at 7 lakhs per annum. So let's begin. The first thing is click the registration. So you will enter in this particular page. Just make sure that you can create your account. So if you click create account, you will land up in this particular page. Enter your name, full name, email ID, password, confirm password, phone number, validate your number, and just create your account. Fill in the details, accept all terms and condition, read the terms and condition, and create your account. If you don't want to do that, the other option is you can go to the register page and you can just continue using any of these options. So when you do that, if you continue with any of the options, you would land up in this page. So once you land up in this particular page, fill in these information will be pulled out when you are doing your when you just log in. So you will have your first name, your last name, your email address, date of birth, residing state, residing city, enter your phone number. You will get a OTP, verify your phone number, and then you have the education qualification. So here you are going to select whatever is your last degree. So if you are a bachelor's of engineering, click this. If you are bachelor of computer applications, click this. Then go ahead and select your stream. You belong to computer science, IT, mechanical, electrical. Then now this is actually a 2021 pass out student, so your expected year of pass out is 21, and then you have September, that's what is expected. Just around, you are supposed to click this three dots. You will get a list. Just type your college name and go for a search. You will get the list. Select any of your list, whichever you want, and that will be your college details. Then fill in your examination details. You should have, we are going for online options, so go for online options and then check all these things which is required at your place. That is, you can have a Windows system, Ubuntu system, you should have a Google Chrome browser, you should have a 2 Mbps internet connectivity, a working webcam. So make sure that you fulfill with all these things, and you should upload your photograph. Now when you're uploading your photograph, make sure the size of the photograph is less than 1 MB, and it should be the format of JPEG or JPG. It is convenient. Okay. The second thing is, if you are not going for online option, there is an in-center option where you have to mention your state, whichever, suppose I say Jharkhand, and then I have to mention this and go ahead with the process. I'll get a mail where I'll have a center and etc. So everything will be communicated to you, don't worry. The next one is for the TCS Ninja test. We are doing the application. Read your declaration, understand this, click it yes and submit, and then close. Once you close this particular thing and you have registered, you will get an email, you will get a message where you can communicate. And then once again, if you want to, sometimes you make an error or any mistake, don't worry, you can again register. You can go for an edit application, you can edit your details, whatever you feel you have, by mistake you have given, and make sure you are taking a note of your NQT registration number. And once that is done, you can just close and you will be back in this particular page. Note the edit for the registration is only valid 2 days prior to the scheduled test date. You can't change after that. So make sure that your phone number, your email ID is all right. There's no error there, and that's it. And then you can get going. Okay, thank you guys for listening. I'll be mentioning the link for the registration. I'll be giving you this PDF so that in case you have any query, you can definitely get in touch with us, to comment, subscribe. Thank you so much.